back again. We're doing a TV Performance front sub race. What we're gonna do is remove the front bolt on this bracket here on both sides, the driver side and passenger side. Remove this bolt. There's not a welded nut on top, and this will just spin if you keep trying. It's a 21 millimeter, and you feed it in between the steering and the sway bar, and then you hold the top and then spin the bottom out. Now remove these front two, and then we can put the brace in. Alright, so once you put that in, you're going to put these bolts back in loosely, and now we're going to put the two back bolts in, but we have to hold the nuts on top, remember. So I tightened down these front facing ones first. Now I'm going to tighten down the back ones. Now that I got them tightened down, I'm going to torque them all to 130 foot-pounds. I'd like to thank everybody for coming and checking out my video. This looks like a very good quality product. The paint job's nice, it fits nice. I didn't have any fitment issues at all, so I suggest getting it. We'll find out next track day video if it did any good. And if you like my videos, click thumbs up. If you hate it, thumbs down. Subscribe if you want to see some more. And I'll catch you guys next time. Wrench on.